My next video lecture is on addressing modes of 8051. So before going to this topic, please watch my videos before have been explained the registers of 8051 and the block diagram of 8051, pin diagram of 8051 and memory organization of 8051. So those topics are very important to know the introduction of the 8051. So in continuation of those videos have been done about the, now I'm going to do about the addressing modes of 8051. Means whenever we want to know, to say some, to represent some way. Okay, I want to move some data. Okay, I want to load some data. I want to perform some operations. Why? This 8051 microcontroller is used to perform some specific task. Okay, to perform some particular job, we are going to have an 8051. So in that regard, the way of representing the operand within the instruction means generally in the instruction format we'll be having opcode plus the operand will be having. So here the way of representing these operands, okay, within the instruction set is known as the addressing mode. Means how we are going to represent those operands. So there comes the concept about the addressing modes. So here there are some five types of addressing modes, like immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, and the index addressing mode. So based on a simple concept it is there. So based on the few examples, I'm going to define what is meant by immediate addressing mode. So first, immediate addressing mode. In this addressing mode has been addressed in such a way that the operand is specified with some data value. Okay, it may be a 16-bit or an 8-bit, or it is maybe a 16-bit. So it has been denoted with the hash. So this symbol is represented before the data value. The data value may be 8-bit or a 16-bit. So what we are going to do means we are going to address the immediate addressing mode with a hashtag saying that this data value has to be moved into the, immediately it has to be moved to the register A. So here DPTR is nothing but the data pointer which is of 16-bit. And this A register is an accumulator of 8-bit. That's why I'm saying that please refer my previous video about the register structure of 8051. So there we can come under which register is about which size it is. It is an 8-bit or a 16-bit. So to have the basic, before knowing all these things, we have to have a basic knowledge of 8051. So if you understand those things, the addressing modes are very easiest for us. Okay, so this is only meant for how to represent the operands. Okay, these are the operands. So for this, how we have to represent, okay, how we are going to say. So here have been some within saying that immediate addressing mode where the data will be immediately moved into the A register. Coming to the direct addressing mode. So in this, whenever the operand address, okay, whenever the address of the operand is specified directly, okay, it's specified directly, means by this way it has been said. So this type of addressing mode is known as the direct addressing mode. Means what happens, the contents of 40 means the contents in the 40H, okay, means that the content of this 40H memory location will be moved into A. Means for example, there is some location here like memory location of address like 41H, 40H, 42H. So there will be some different values here. So the data value of here is 00, here is 01, 02, 03. So this 00 will be transferred or moved into the A register. Will be moved into the A register. So here we are going to have a direct one. Okay, next, register addressing mode. So this register addressing mode means here we are specifying with the register to register. Means we are specifying that whatever the value in the R1 register, that will be moved into the A register. Okay, so here we are going to specify with some memory location or address we are going to say. Here we are going to transmit the data value. Here we are going to transfer between the registers. Whereas this coming to the fourth one, register indirect addressing mode. Here, whenever the address of operand is specified indirectly, it is indirectly, means operand of here has been specified indirectly in the form of register. It may be R0 or R1. Then this type of addressing mode is known as register indirect addressing mode. Means what happens here, the contents of the internal RAM, location whose address is specified in the R1 register. So that has been transferred to the A register. Once again I am repeating, the contents of internal RAM location whose address is specified in this register are being transferred to the A register. So this is about the register indirect addressing mode. So I can also have like this, move at the rate R1 comma A. Means what happened, the contents of A are being transferred to a RAM location whose address is specified in the R1 register. Okay. And the last one, that is indexed addressing mode. So this index addressing mode is a addressing where the source memory can only be accessed from the program memory. Means saying that this is a code byte, nothing but code memory. So we are going to use the representation in that move C A comma A plus at the rate data pointer, or you can also use like move C A comma at the rate A plus C. Means the destination operand always must be a register of A. It also always must be a register of A. So these are the 5 ways of representing the operands of 8051. So we can also say as the addressing modes of 8051. Means addressing means nothing but representing the operand. Thank you.